Welcome to Devotions from Israel, a 5-minute word of encouragement. Today's passage is 2 Chronicles, chapter 32. One of my favorite Judean kings in Israelite history is King Hezekiah. He reigned in the end of the 8th century BC in Jerusalem. He was a good king. He brought religious reforms throughout the kingdom of Judah. He stood firm in the face of adversity. In fact, as we read and understand the historical context of 2 Chronicles chapter 32. It was King Sennacherib from the north, an Assyrian king, who had come and surrounded Hezekiah like a bird in a cage, using his own words as discovered on an inscription. Hezekiah, in advance of the king from Assyria coming to Jerusalem, would do two things. He heightened the walls and the towers of Jerusalem, and he built a water tunnel, something that we call Hezekiah's tunnel today. It's a 1,700-foot tunnel, chiseled from bedrock, that safely and securely brought water from the Gihon spring on the east side of the city. He brought the water and channeled it to the west and southern end of the city. Hezekiah was prudent in all that he did. But I believe, foundationally, he was one who stood firm with sure confidence in God. In fact, these are the words that he would share with his people from 2 Chronicles 32. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged because of the king of Assyria and the vast army with him. For there is a greater power with us than with him. With him is only the arm of flesh. But with us is the Lord our God to help us and to fight our battles. The text tells us that the people took confidence in Hezekiah, not only in his strategic means of heightening the walls and the towers of the city, not only because of this probably a multi-year project of chiseling this water tunnel to safely bring water into the city, but they stood firm and could stand firm because of the spiritual confidence, I believe, that Hezekiah offered his people. Be strong and courageous. Do not be dismayed or discouraged. You know, these are the words that Moses shared with Joshua. And in turn, these are the words that Joshua would share with the Israelites centuries ago and before this event ever happened, and before they crossed the Jordan River. Be strong and courageous, and success would follow them. Now here at the end of the 8th century, these words are echoed once again by King Hezekiah, who took full confidence and trust in God. What battles of life are you facing today? Whilst Hezekiah was surrounded like a bird in a cage by King Sennacherib, the enemy, what challenges or trials of life are surrounding you, your family, your loved ones? Well, as you face them, I think we are encouraged to face them with confidence and with a full trust in God above. So be encouraged today, my friends. Do not be dismayed, for God is with us as we entrust our cares to Him. Until next time, Shalom.